guys, Courtney here. Today we will cover proper steps on what you need to know when it comes to post-peel treatment or after you have completed the peel. So why is it important to make sure you are taking the right steps after the peel? The peel strips away many dead and dull skin cells on the surface by creating a controlled damage to the skin, and in the process leaves it very sensitive, irritated, and dehydrated. So it's important to help replenish the skin of those nutrients and vitamins and help hydrate the skin again. Okay, so with all the traces of the peel removed, I am now going to apply our Hydra-Repair Wrinkle Cream. Our Hydra-Repair Wrinkle Cream is full of nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants, which helps aid the skin in healing. If you have very dry skin and typically need a deeper level of moisture, I would suggest going with the Hydra-Repair Super Moisturizer, as that is more for dry, damaged skin, which has more difficulty holding moisture. If you don't have either, then you can use a gentle, mild moisturizer such as Cetaphil or CeraVe. It's important post-peel to keep the skin hydrated to aid in the peeling process. One thing you do not want to do is overhydrate. Applying the cream too often throughout the day can actually slow the healing process down. We recommend 1 to 2 times per day, applying it lightly. It is also very important to apply an SPF 30 or higher to your skin every day for the next 1 to 2 weeks post-peel, although I wear it every day as a precautionary measure. In addition to keeping your skin hydrated and protected, you want to avoid a few habits in your routine that could negatively affect your peel experience. So after the peel, do not apply makeup for 24 hours after. Avoid exercise and sweating for 2 hours following the peel treatment. Do not pick or pull off any flakes of skin or scabs during the healing process. Many of our peels work on the superficial layers of skin cells, so you typically will only see mild flaking of skin, if any. Do not exfoliate the skin for 1 week after. Do not use any products with retinol for 1 week after the peel. And do not go tanning, swimming, or in a sauna for 1 week after. So that concludes our videos on how to apply our chemical peels at home. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned how to safely peel your way to beautiful skin. If you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me personally at Courtney@perfectimage.com or our support team at support@perfectimage.com. We'll see you guys next time.